Hi everyone, so on this one I will be showing you inside the Benin City Art Gallery that's taught pyramid inside Benin City, where you're going to see talent, in art. I'll be showing you everything you need to know inside this place. Here you can come, relax, enjoy, do sip and paint, and as well learn about artworks. So relax, watch, subscribe and like this video. I'll just leave it to watch. Thank you, bye.
What's up, bro?